In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your WhatsApp business account to WIFTT. Once connected, all your WhatsApp conversations will sync directly into your inbox. Before we begin, make sure you have a phone number that can be verified with a PIN code. Your number is not connected to another automation platform. You have access or permission to your Facebook Business Manager account. Let's get started. Once you're into WIFTT dashboard, from the left menu, go to App Center. Click on Add an App, then select Connect WhatsApp. You will now be redirected to Meta's secure login page. Continue with Facebook or log in to your Facebook account that is linked to your WhatsApp business. You can either create a new WhatsApp business account, connect your existing business app number from your phone, or choose the existing business account. In the second step, you will select or add phone number to your WhatsApp business. Add the new phone number you want to connect. Choose a display name and confirm with a PIN code, or select existing verified number. Once you click Next, Facebook will verify the connection. That's all. Congratulations! Your number is now connected and ready to be used. You can now set up keyword triggers, auto-reply message, or trigger an automation directly from WIFTT. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.